Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to delete a YouTube channel on desktop. So it's easy to delete your YouTube channel on desktop or your contents on your YouTube. All you need to do is just go to your YouTube application or go to any web browser and then log in to your YouTube account. Make sure that this is the account that you want to remove your YouTube content. Tap on your profile, scroll down, click on YouTube Studio, and then here on the left side, you have to scroll down again and then go to Settings. On the settings, you will see different options, but what you're going to do here is you have to click channel option here, tap this one, and in the channel option, you have to tap on advanced settings. So click advanced setting here, and then what you're going to do next is you just have to simply scroll down till you see this remove YouTube content. You need to click this one, tap this. It will take you directly to another page. And then here you have to enter your password to make sure that this is the account that you want to remove the content. And then you will have your option right here. So all you need to do is to click and then read the information. For example, this one. It will show you this information, and what you're going to do is to review everything. You see the following will be permanently deleted. Also your subscription if you want to remove. And then once you're okay with that, then you have to proceed and click this delete content. Take note, this only deletes your YouTube channel, not your full Google account. If you want to keep your Google account but remove YouTube, this is the correct option. So that's how easy it is to delete YouTube channel on desktop. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.